You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more names that too many people get wrong from Arabic included. Stay tuned, loads to learn here. Ahmad. Ahmad is how it's said in Arabic. So in English you can say it as Ahmad, Ahmad, or Ahmad, Ahmad. It's easy, and now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate the support. It helps me a lot. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.